Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform my hair from this to this. If you're interested, keep on watching. Thank you to EayonHair for sponsoring this video. They sent me these beautiful bundles, 4 bundles of these feather crochet hair extensions. As you can see, they have the string, so they are feather crochet, and that's what I'm going to be using for my install today. They also give you tools to use, some combs and a brush, the crochet hook which is necessary, and some alligator clips. So this is going to be my hair inspo for the day, and to do that obviously I have to section my hair into 2, where the braids are going to be and then where the rest of the hair is going to be, and where I'm going to install the feather crochet. This is how the sectioned hair looked, and for me to do the braids I needed a bit of help, so I called in my aunt to help braid the back so I'm able to crochet the hair onto something. Once the base for the crochet was braided, she went on to start the cornrows in the front, which is really what I needed her for because I want them to look super neat and small. This is how the base for everything looked before I started crocheting, and I'm gonna start obviously at the back, following this braid pattern to make sure everything is even and falls naturally. I'm not doing any special knot technique, you know, I'm just crocheting like you regularly crochet and making sure to pull through fully just so that the string is wrapped tightly around the braid. That is literally the only advice I have. Everything else is super easy and straightforward. This is how it was looking after one bundle was installed. I realized that I was putting them a little bit too close together because I only had 4 bundles left. So I wanted to make sure to manage the hair well so that it can fit the whole head. I decided to move on to the front part of my head just because I wanted this part to be really full and really covered with the crochet, and I didn't want to get to this part and I start running out of hair, so I made sure to do that first to make sure that that looked good. Once that was done, I moved on to installing the middle part of my head. This is how it looks with all 4 bundles installed. I was actually really liking this curly look, but I knew that I wanted to style it with heat because this is human hair. So I was like, let me actually finish the look. I was brushing through the hair, and this hair is very soft. It's actually one of the softer bundles that I've used on my head. So I really liked that about these bundles from EayonHair. Super soft, very easy to detangle. And I wanted to basically just trim the hair a bit just so that when I curl it, everything is even at the bottom. Once I was done trimming, I went ahead to flat iron and then add a bump at the end of each section. This was how the finished look came out. I really like that it had a lot of volume, but it was also super soft, easy to detangle. I am really enjoying this hair. I've had it for like a week now. It still is holding up very well. Thank you so much to EayonHair for sponsoring this video, and I will see you in my next one.